Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable network scanning in Windows Defender on Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand Windows Defender Antivirus. Click Scan. Open Scan Network Files. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.